begin with, I must say that any discussions with them at this stage privileged. So I don't want to be put in a position where I would be actually be at liberty to disclose whatever those discussions might have been between ourselves and the relevant Chinese entities.
But you were saying that there are discussions.
Well, not in a way that it appears to be a prolonged one. Yes, I was in Beijing last week. Yes, I met with Sino in Beijing. And I think that's as far as I could go at this stage. It's both matters of fact.
But you did discuss drilling.
We discussed SE-72, yes. Yes, that was the principal subject matter of the meeting with Sino. Yes. We didn't talk about telecoms, for sure. Or TV5.
Sir, were you there on their invitation, or were you there volunteering to talk about the possibility of a foreign entry?
I received an official invitation, yes, from Sino. It's China National Offshore Oil Company. There are only 3 petroleum companies in China, all state-owned enterprises, and that's PetroChina, Sino, and Sinochem.
I heard they have a good basketball team.
Involvement in oil exploration in the company.
How's that?
The 3 Chinese companies in oil exploration.
Do they have any exposure in the picnic? Previously,
I don't think so. I don't believe so.
so this will be the first time if ever that they will
If ever,
be.
yes.
Sir, if I understand it correctly, Sino was here in joint venture with the PNOC several years before.
It could be. That was not discussed at all. So I don't know. My impression is they're not invested, at least at the moment. So, but previously, I have no idea.
So, sir, tuloy pa rin yung drilling as scheduled by Apollo sa
Well, we have a work program commitment to the government under the terms of the concession rights, no, that the government granted to us, and we intend to implement the schedule as has been approved by the government. Now, as I said earlier, if certain supervening events happen within our area, we are commercial, we're business people. No? We don't have gunboats in the floor. So it could affect the schedule if indeed certain events happen within the territory.
just to clarify, sir. So when is your schedule? September or later this year?
Again,
Based on your obligation, not on any other.
yes, but if I give you a time, then the whole world will know about it. Right? Who knows who will appear on the horizon?
Mr. Pangilinan, can you enlighten us that concession agreement that was awarded to you by the government for SE-72, does that allow foreign investors for you to
Yes,
discuss?
of course. Yes, as in Malabaya. Yes, under a farming agreement or arrangement, yes. Because my understanding, Malabaya, was several $1 billion, and it's only the international oil majors which have the expertise and the money to develop an oil field of a size similar to Malabaya. I'm not saying that SE-72 is similar to, smaller than it, and we actually don't know at this stage how much there is below the water. So that's whether it is the Chinese that we eventually partner with or the non-Chinese. We do, I think it is necessary for us to partner with an international oil major. That is no doubt, and I think our government knows that as well.
Would you have problems in the future in terms of, settling claims? It will be
Of
Chinese.
course, yes, of course.
So that's being factored in the box.
Smile.
I would say, I cannot answer that question directly, but I'm sure that any commercial arrangements will be colored by sovereignty issues, right? I mean, because the gas field, like a mining site, is location specific. It exists in a specific latitude and longitude of a certain territory. It's not somewhere in space. So, yes. So I'm not saying it was discussed in Beijing. All I'm saying is that certainly, kasi kung wala naman dispute, let's say kung minahan ito sa Mindanao, wala naman pag-usapan. It's clearly within. I don't think China has made any territorial claims in any part of Mindanao.
Sir, how big a stake are you willing to carve out to foreign companies?
I think too early to tell. I mean, it's a function of the size of gas field and so forth. We're early days. This will take 6 to 10 years to develop. That's why it's important that we start now. Taking those steps to determine indeed whether there's gas underwater and the size of the gas resource. I think it's important to these countries, given that what's happening to Malacca, which may or may not run out in the next 10 to 15 years.